In this video I'm testing out the Homever Slow Juicer, so let's get started. The Homever Slow Masticating Juicer was rated as the #1 best-selling juicer on Amazon when I bought it. It's fairly easy to set up and use. The control buttons are at the back for switching it on, off and also reverse mode. It comes with 2 containers, a cleaning brush and this handy little wrench to help unlock the front if it gets jammed. Once you've disassembled and washed all the parts, it's very easy to put it back together. First, insert the auger into the chamber, then place the filter in front like so, then attach the outer cover to secure them in. Then connect the assembled chamber to the motor base by first positioning it at an angle towards the right and then twist it counterclockwise to the center until you hear it click into place. Attach the food tray, plug it in and you're ready to start juicing. Press the on button and it'll take about 2-3 seconds before you see the auger rotate. I'm starting with oranges. I'm just going to feed them into the chute and use the plunger provided to push the food down gently. Be sure to have both the containers in place. One is to collect the juice and the other is for the pulp. You can see just how well the auger is squeezing out the juice. The machine is fairly quiet, surprisingly. According to the description, it's only 60 decibels. Next I did some apples, peeled and cut to 1-inch pieces. And look at that, no crunching or grinding noises and beautifully squeezed. And the best part is it's not clogging up inside the chamber here. After the apples, I'm going to try some pineapples, again cut into long slices about 1 inch thick. And if you do end up with any blockages in the chamber, just stop the machine and press the rotate backwards button, and that should release some of the food from the auger, and then you can restart it again. Moving on to harder items, you can hear the crunching from the carrots here. I did have to apply a little bit extra pressure since the carrots are harder to push through the chute. And then I also tried some celery and I had no problem at all with that. Here I'll show you the pulp from each item that I've done. Here is the oranges, surprisingly so dry. Very tiny little amount of wetness in there. It's squeezed out every single drop by the looks of it. And I was very impressed by the result of the apple juice though. I was expecting a lot more of a wetter pulp or even mush, but it has squeezed out at least I would say 95% of the juice from the apples. And the vegetables are completely dry. Since they were dry to start with, I would have been a little disappointed if the pulp had been wet from the carrots. And I am comparing this to the Ninja Slow Juicer that I tested out a few months back. I'll leave links in the description if you guys want to check that out. I forgot to insert this foam separator into the container, but I'm just going to use it to scoop out all the foam. And you can see here just how much foam has come out from the apples. So going back, here's the orange juice with absolutely no bits in it, and the color is just so bright, it looks beautiful. And let's pour that into a glass, and I think I did about 5 big oranges, so that yielded quite a bit of juice here. And here is the apple juice. I think that was about 4 apples. Look at that, no pulp in there at all. Beautiful. Here is the pineapple juice. Look at that beautiful yellow color. And finally the carrot and celery, and just look at that. And I only did a small quantity, and I did 1 big carrot and 1 big celery, and that still yielded quite a bit of juice. And remember, the taste of the juice will all depend on the fruit itself. As long as the fruit is of good quality and it is sweet to begin with, the juice will come out really nice as well. Okay, now I'm going to open it up and just show you if there's anything stuck inside or how much mess it's created. So there is a little bit of pulp on the cover here. You just need to use the brush to pull that out. And the filter, so this is the orange, and there's a little bit of pulp stuck on the filter, but nothing too extreme. And the auger is fine as well. And if I just show you inside the chamber here, you can see that there's absolutely nothing stuck inside there. There's just a little bit of juice in there. The same with the apples. There was nothing much in there, but the filter did have quite a bit of the apple mushed into it, but that was going to happen since the apples were soft anyway. And the auger as well, there's just a little bit of apple on there, nothing too extreme. And again, just to show you the chamber, completely empty inside, and there's nothing clogged up in there. Same with the pineapple, similar to the orange. A lot of the pulp is stuck on the filter, but same with the pineapple because it does have a little bit more of a stringy texture to it. And similarly, you can see all the stringy texture from the celery here stuck in the cover. But again, it's nothing too extreme. It didn't cause any blockages. May also be because I did a small quantity, I'm not sure, but at least it didn't cause too much of a blockage here. And also inside as well, you can just see. So press the release button and twist the chamber towards the right and then slide it out. And when washing all the parts, you may want to keep a strainer in the drain to catch all the bits, since they are quite fine. The cleaning brush is designed really well to clean the edge of the filter and the tiny little holes in the filter. And I've just used regular dish soap and warm water, and you can see that it's cleaned it really well. And clean out the outer cover and also the chamber here. And this is how much of the orange pulp came out, so it's not a lot at all. Alright guys, I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and I hope to catch you in my next video.